Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. So this video is actually going to be a little review video of a mask. So I've heard a lot of great things about light therapy systems, and I really wanted to get my hands on one to try it out for myself because of all the benefits and the different light benefits. So I did just that. This is the Project E Beauty Skin Rejuvenation LED Therapy Photon Mask. So on one side of the box, it talks a little bit about all the different light systems that it has and a little bit about what the Photon LED therapy does for your skin. So let's talk a little bit about the information of it while I show you the contents of the box. So the LED Photon Skin Rejuvenation Facial Mask is designed to make use of colored LED lights which supply pure light to remove various skin issues and rejuvenate your skin, reducing scars. Unlike other beauty devices, this mask gives you high quality skin LED treatment and has been scientifically validated to give you efficient and effective results. Now, it has a little neck strap, like a neck piece, and it also has a face piece. The face is held on with these little sunglass arms, and the neck is held on with this strap, as you see there, and it just clips into it. It also comes in the box with this little serum you can apply to your face and neck before you do the light therapy, but I'm pretty picky about products that I put on my face, so I'm going to skip that. I'm going to put on the arms like so to the face mask. They just clip in very easily. Then I'm going to go ahead and pop on the neck piece with a little strap as well. Once I have that in place, I'm going to go ahead and pop on the face mask, which was very difficult to do. The arms were very tight, the face mask was heavy, so it was putting a lot of pressure on the bridge of my nose and pulling on my ears. So I don't think I will be using the little arm strap things for the face mask. I believe it will be better used just laying down. It is wireless, so you can go about doing your daily activities, but I don't like the arm things on my ears. They're too painful. So I think just wearing it laying down would be much better and a lot less pressure on the face. So the different lights that are on here are the white light, the yellow light, cyan light, purple light, green light, blue light, and red light. So if you guys would like more detailed information on what each different light does, you can check out their website. But that is my little review about this face mask light therapy system. I really wanted to get my hands on one to see the benefits that I could do for my skin. After one use, I don't really notice anything, but I'm sure after continued weeks of use it would be better. But if you would like a direct link to this product in the description bar down below, just check there, as well as don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.